Hi, welcome back friends. So in the previous video we have successfully wrote the code. Now from this video we are going to write code for our calculate function. For calculate function means we will show the subtotal and we will show the discount in RS and we will show the SGST and CGST in rupees and the total and the due amount, and we will insert the paid amount. Okay, so how can we do this? Simply we need to write a code for a calculate function. So simple, let's open our code editor and let's go just below of our file code, and here in the last I will write code for the function. So first of all I will write function and then the function name calculate and open brace and close brace, and inside the calculate method I will create a variable. So the first variable I will create a subtotal and I will initialize this variable using of means from 0, then terminate. Okay, after this variable I will create another variable which will be discount and then variable SGST 0. Okay, let's terminate this, and then variable CGST and then 0, and then variable total and then variable pad then 0. I can give here pad empty pad amount, and then variable I will create here due initialize by 0, then terminate. All the variable I have created here because you can see in our UI one by one subtotal, then discount, then SGST, then CGST, then total, then paid amount, and then due. Okay, when this function will call, all the variable initialized by 0, then we will get the values in this variable using of other elements. Okay, so that's why we initialize this all variable using of 0 when the function will call. Okay, and after that I will write dollar, and inside that I will write class sell price. So this class, from where I'm using this class name, let me copy and let me find that, and you can see here so you can see the last element of the table row. This element belongs to the price, means total price, or we can say total amount. So this class you can see here in our hidden input, this hidden input class sell price we are using here. So we are getting the subtotal value from here. Okay, and then here I will use dot each method, dot each. Okay, and inside that function I will write subtotal is equal to subtotal, then plus and dollar this keyword, then dot value and dot value multiplied by 1, then close it. Okay, so in this subtotal we are getting the value subtotal plus multiplied by 1. We are means this keyword we are getting the value from this sell price. Okay, and we are giving here multiplied by 1. Okay, because that value is coming from the sell price, it will multiply by 1, means it means we will get the accurate value. Okay, so after that I can see or I can show this value using of dollar. Then let me write here txt subtotal. Okay, subtotal underscore id. Then here I can give txt subtotal. Okay, we will change. First here I need to give value, then subtotal, then to I'm using here to fixed method, and inside it I will pass to. Let's close this and let's terminate this. Okay, so txt subtotal, let's copy this and copy, and here we need to give hash sign because we are using the id. So let's find okay, so there is no subtotal id, so we need to give the attribute of id. So where we need to give, let's go here, subtotal input. So here we need to give id attribute because we are working with jQuery, and let's paste here txt subtotal id. Okay, let's save and let's see the output. Refresh our page, and if I select any product from here, for example I'm selecting soap, and you can see here we need here should be the value of subtotal, but we are not getting the value. Why? Let's check. Open our code editor and let's go just down for the function. Okay, for seeing the value we need to call this function. So copy this calculate, and let's go for the dot select, and here we need to call this function. So paste it here, then terminate, and after the append method let me paste calculate method. Let's save again and let's go our file, refresh our page and select any product. Perfect. Now you can see here the subtotal. Okay, if I select another product, you can see the total of the subtotal. Okay, if I select another one, you can see 385. If I select again kangaroo stapler, you can see here it count the value, means 200 into 2 is equal to 400, and the subtotal is 585. Okay, I hope you got this what I have done here. So we have just wrote the function here, and we just wrote this methods, okay, these functions, so it is working. So we will continue this video from the next video. If you have any doubt you can ask me the question. So see you in next video.